If you use Gmail every day but still struggle to keep your contacts organized, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick and simple video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add contacts to Gmail step by step. Whether you're managing clients, business emails, or personal contacts, this will make your email life 10 times easier. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're inside Gmail, take a look at the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a small toolbar with icons like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. Click on the Contacts icon. It looks like a little person. If you don't see it, don't worry. You can also go to contacts.google.com in a new tab. This will open your Google Contacts dashboard where all your saved contacts are stored. Now, on the top left corner of the page, click the button that says Create Contact. You'll get two options, Create a Contact or Create Multiple Contacts. For now, let's choose Create a Contact since we're adding one person. A form will pop up where you can enter their information. Start by typing the person's first name and last name. This may seem optional, but it helps keep your contact list organized, especially if you have multiple people with similar names. Adding a full name also makes searching for contacts much faster later on. Next, enter their email address. This is the most important part because Gmail uses this email to identify and store the contact. Make sure you type it carefully. Double check for spelling mistakes or missing characters. A wrong email means your messages might never reach them. You'll also see an option to add a phone number. This step is optional, but I recommend filling it in if you have it. Adding a phone number keeps all your communication channels in one place. Plus, it'll sync across your Google apps and even your phone if you're using Android. Once you've entered the details, take a quick moment to review everything: name, email, and phone number. When everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact to Gmail. From now on, whenever you compose an email, just start typing their name in the To field and Gmail will automatically suggest their contact. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs help organizing their Gmail contacts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.